Welcome to my channel.
But I love it.
Renault's involvement in Formulation 1 has crossed over into its manufacturing vehicle business at various factors and beyond. Now, the French automaker is dipping into that pond once more with the release of the Clio R.S.18, a new iteration of Renault's feisty 5-door hatchback that traces its roots to the Clio 220 EDC trophy. What makes the 2018 Renault Clio R.S.18 unique? The nods to the Cruise F1 Challenger starts off evolved off in the exterior, in which R.S.18 badges may be visible on the front doorways. Earlier than you get enthusiastic about the concept of a brand new warm hatch from Renault, the Clio R.S.18 isn't exactly a new and improved version of the Clio 220 EDC trophy. It's truly nonetheless the Clip 220 EDC trophy, albeit wrapped in a special stylistic package deal that commemorates Renault's upcoming 2018 Formula One automobile. The nods to the group's F1 Challenger begins off in the exterior, where an R.S.18 badges can be seen at the front doors. The front bumper receives a module distinctive black topic to go along with a few grey decals. Even the F1-styled front blade gets painted in Sirius yellow, a hat tip to the base color of the imminent System 1 racer. The same yellow color can also be visible on the sides, in which it creates a nice comparison with the recent hatch's predominantly black outside. The references to the new F1 racer maintain in the cabin of the hatch. Numbered door sills denote its confined availability, and the faux carbon fiber subject for the air vent surrounds is another first-class touch. The steerage wheel also receives dressed in fancy leather-based Indulcantara at the same time as the carpet mats come bearing the logo of Renault Recreation. This should allow the unique edition version to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds on its manner to a top pace of 146 miles per hour. Under its hood, the Clio R.S.18 retains a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that produces 220 horsepower and 280 pound-toes of torque. This need to allow the special version variant to boost up from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds on its way to a top speed of 146 miles per hour, and the Krapovic exhaust device comes well known on the R.S.18. A small victory over the Clio 220 EDC trophy, which offers the equal exhaust device as an option. The Renault Clio R.S.18 is also tipped to be the last special version committed to the contemporary